In today's video, I will walk you through how to add transition in CapCut PC. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open CapCut on your computer and load the project you want to edit. If you do not already have CapCut installed, you can visit the official CapCut website and download the PC version. Transitions are a great way to make your videos feel smoother and more professional because they help blend one clip into another instead of creating a sudden cut. They are commonly used in YouTube videos, vlogs, gaming edits, cinematic projects, and short-form content to improve the overall flow of the edit. Before adding a transition, make sure you already have at least 2 clips placed next to each other on your timeline. Transitions work between clips, so there needs to be a point where one clip ends and another begins. Once your clips are positioned correctly, move to the top left section of CapCut and click on the Transitions tab. Inside this section, you will find a large collection of transition styles that you can apply to your project. The transitions are organized into categories, making it easier to browse through different styles depending on the type of video you are creating. Some transitions are more subtle and smooth, while others are faster and more energetic. There are also some transitions that require the Pro version, although CapCut still includes many free options that work very well for most edits. Take a moment to preview different transitions and see how they animate before choosing one. Smoother transitions usually work well for tutorials and cinematic videos, while faster transitions can fit gaming content or social media edits with quicker pacing. Once you find a transition you like, click on it and drag it directly into the split between your 2 clips on the timeline. As soon as you place it there, the transition will automatically connect the clips together. After applying it, play back your video so you can see how the transition looks in motion. If you want to customize the effect further, click directly on the transition layer in the timeline. This will open additional settings on the top right side of the editor. From here, you can adjust the duration to make the transition faster or slower. Shorter transitions usually feel more energetic, while longer transitions can create a smoother and more cinematic look. Some transitions may also include extra settings that allow you to fine-tune the overall effect. Once everything looks the way you want, preview the clips again to make sure the transition feels natural and matches the pacing of your video. And that is how you add transitions in CapCut PC to create smoother and more professional-looking edits.